Maxdecal presents a new product that reaches the home industry by releasing the D.I.Y craft series. The latest product range presented by Maxdecal is here to meet your need who like to be creative with visual ideas such as printing stickers, logo stickers, animated stickers, mosaic stickers, and product label stickers.
Maxdecal Brittle Security Sticker Crack Egg Sticker Warranty Seal Coating Inkjet is a sticker made of a material that is very easily wrecked or decomposed. The advantage of this sticker is does not crumble if it has not been passed on the surface. If it is attached and then released, it will crumble like an eggshell. Maxdecal D.I.Y series using water-based adhesive technology is very suitable to be applied to sticker material that has a water-based coating, so that it makes the sticker more waterproof, water resistant.
Maxdecal D.I.Y series can be printed for Epson, Canon, HP, Brother, and other printers. Roll holder made of sturdy plate material on the left and right and with a sturdy aluminum roll holder that has a long durability. You can adjust the roll holder from 15 cm to 33 cm according to your needs. D.I.Y stickers can be printed using dye ink, pigment ink, or paper ink, and all other variants of water-based ink. Maxdecal also launched water-based inks suitable for Epson All series and Eco Tank printers.